What's up, world? So coming at you in another video. Gonna take you guys over to see the new project, calling it the Cherokee house. Been keeping this one a little hush hush, but gonna do the first kind of walkthrough with y'all, show you obviously the property, what my plans are, what my timeline is gonna be, what little projects I'm gonna wind up doing, and then we're gonna run down the numbers. So come check it out. So here's the property. You pull in, got a real long driveway. The main lot is 4 acres, and also included with it is this half-acre lot over here. I'll include a kind of a plat map to show you guys what all the layout looks like, but the plans are, outside of needing to get a lawnmower or a zero-turn lawnmower, because this is a lot of grass to mow, is eventually wind up building a house up near the front part of the property, and that'll be later down the road. But the exterior of the house is in great shape. They wound up putting in a new roof, new deck, new AC unit, new hot water heater, and it was originally built in 1954. So as the property sits now, it's a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath, 1,481 square feet on the upstairs and unfinished basement on the downstairs. Got a parking pad back here, and down this way it slopes, goes downhill, and there's a little creek bed down there on the back side of the house. Got a 1-car garage that I'll be putting a door on. Brand new deck. Plan is to add on a stairway coming down here since I have dogs, and then I'm going to be fencing off probably the perimeter going down this way and then coming back up this way. So this will all be enclosed, allowing the dogs to go outside because I'm lazy. I don't want to take them for a walk. Then the next spot, and I'll show you guys the inside here in just a second. So this will be the main downstairs entrance coming into my little shop area. And then what I'm going to do is wind up putting a privacy fence along here, pouring a pad, and then this will be the private entrance going into the downstairs, because we're going to be finishing out the basement and turning it into a 2-bedroom, 1-bath with a living room and a kitchenette. Alright, so you walk in the front door. Got the living room, sweet original pink carpet. I was totally blown away by the shape of this house and the condition of it. I mean, you could tell that it's definitely built in the 50s, but it's remarkable shape. So we got a closet here, kitchen off to the left. Plan is to eventually take this wall down, make it open concept, and then the back side of this closet, we have a fireplace in the center of the room, and then it swings around to what would be a family room, living room, big brand new deck, like we said, on the back porch. And then this wall I'm going to take out as well, going into the kitchen, because it all wraps around. And this is the current status of the kitchen. And what I'm going to do today is get some measurements on pulling out the oven that's no longer working, pulling out the stovetop, probably cut that whole section out and just put a 1-piece stove with cooktop, and then probably wind up moving the sink over a little bit, and maybe either having a dishwasher there or dishwasher here, moving those drawers over. And then obviously the fridge, that wall is going to be gone. And then this goes down to the basement. Let me show you guys the screened-in porch. This is pretty nice. gorgeous views, quiet. Let's jump back inside. And so the upstairs right now, like I'd mentioned, is a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath. So these are all original bathrooms. This is the full bath that's up here. Ceiling's in still good shape. Got to rip the wallpaper down and completely gut the rest of it. And then in the master, so my plan is there's a closet right here in the hallway, which, since there's that big closet up near the front, I'm going to use that space and seal this off and tap into that. That'll give me about 18 inches. And then so for the master bath, since this lovely pink room, I wind up taking this door out, put a pocket door in right here. Have to rerun the location for that outlet, and then we'll blow this wall out and go all the way back out to where that closet is. That'll give me another 18 to 20 inches, and then can put a stand-up shower there. Since this won't be opening up anymore here, we'll be able to slide the vanity over a little bit, or swap places, and then this will be a pocket door, and then so now we'll have a stand-up shower in here. So it's going to look really good, and looking forward to it. Now let's go check out the downstairs. Before we get downstairs, the plan is as soon as I get in here, I'm going to come in and paint all these walls. I do repose gray in pretty much all my properties, and then get the baseboards redone as well. We're going to rip up this carpet, and the cool part is on this carpet we can see, we go into one of the guest bedrooms and we pull up this carpet, we can see that it's original hardwood floors. So it's going to be really nice to have those available. And then we're going to finish those and seal them, then finish them, and put a couple coats of poly on it. And I think it's going to turn out really, really nice. Give this house an entire new look. And I'm not 100% sold on keeping the fireplace. I think I'll probably wind up painting it white for the time being. I don't know if the expense is worth it to get rid of it. Alright, so jumping downstairs, this is the part that really excited me about this house, just because of the options. So they had upgraded the panel, so we got a new 150 amp service coming into the house. Still got a bunch of wiring that we're going to have to rerun, or that I will have to rerun in the house. Got a new hot water heater. You can tell this is like one of the original Maytag washers from the 50s, or dryers. And then over here is where the washer is going to be. So what I'm going to wind up doing is rerunning the power for the dryer, putting it over here. So this is going to be the laundry area, and this is going to be closed off to about here-ish, and then over to here. And then so the plans for downstairs is when you walk in over there, it's going to be a living room area with a bedroom in the back corner. And then this little pad, obviously going to be the shower. We're going to have a second bedroom right here with a living room section here, bedroom over there, and kitchenette on this side going into this wall. And then there's going to be a laundry section right over here. And so my thoughts are having the sink on this wall, be able to run and tie the plumbing down this way, and then catch the drain for a stackable washer and dryer that I'm going to put in, and then tie it into the drain pipe right here. Some of the other stuff over on the original existing drains from upstairs, we're going to cut all this cast out and replace it with PVC, just because it's going to last a lot longer and we won't have to worry about leaks. Same thing with any new copper or plumbing that we're going to do. We're going to swap that over to PEX, just more reliable. Replace all these doors. And the good thing about down here is this window and this window, we're going to wind up having those in each bedroom. So then that way it can qualify as a bedroom. Obviously we'll build in a closet, convert those over to egress windows per code. And then that way, once I'm finished with the house, it'll go from being a 3, 1.5 to a 5, 3. And so that alone increases, it's a massive equity increase at that point from those value adds. But in the meantime, I'll be house hacking. So in the meantime, I'll be house hacking and be able to rent out the downstairs. Market rents for this area for a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, I could probably get $1,100 to $1,300 most likely. And that's if rent rates don't increase. Timeline that I'm looking at is to have all of this done within the next 3 to 4 months, and then be able to rent that out. And that pretty much offsets my mortgage entirely. And then it's just a matter of using that money that I'm saving to finish the upstairs. And once all that's done, then I'm going to be looking at building the house on the front part of the property. And then once all that's finished, then it's on to the next property after I refinance this one, get some of my cash out, and just start the process again. So I look forward to keeping you guys in the loop throughout the process. Stay tuned to the progress, and we'll see you guys on the next one.